Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we will be looking at cross account login. So for this particular demo, I have created two AWS account. So this is my developer account, and so this is my prod account. Okay. So I have a couple of users in my developer account, and who- they want to access like my prod account. See, in real time, actually, we'll be having multiple accounts, and the DevOps engineers, they need to shuffle between the multiple accounts. So for this particular requirement, I mean, it's not recommended to create IAM user in each account and ask them to uh, access the account. Instead, what we can do is we can create a STS assume roles, and we will give the particular roles in each account and ask them to switch role. So if you click on the account information, you can get it switch role. Okay. So for this particular demo, let's see how this this SRE team, and it has like one guy, one user. Okay. And he want to access my prod account. How we can do this? Okay. For this particular demo, okay, let me go ahead and create a role. This is my trusted account, you can call it as trusted account, and environment wise it is a prod account. Okay. So in the destination account, in my developer account, I mean, people are there and they want to access this prod account, right? So this is the destination account, right? Or you can call it as trusted account. So here, create a role. Okay. Roles, click on create a role, and my trusted entity is type is AWS account. Click on AWS account, and click on another account. So let me get the developer account number. This is my AWS account of developer account, right? So this is my developer account, and you can configure require multi-factor authentication and all. So uh, in this particular prod account, what are all the services you are giving, you want SRE team to access? Okay. So I want SRE team to access EC2 full access, because they need to debug, right? And you can ask, you can get S3 full access maybe, and CloudWatch for sure, because they need to debug, right? CloudWatch full access. CloudWatch full access, where it is. Yeah. Yeah, CloudWatch full access. So okay. So I want SRE team to access these three services to access in my prod account. Okay. In my role, I have given three managed full policies. If it is support team, right, it will give the only read only access. Since it is SRE team, I'm giving uh, full access for the required services. Okay. Let me name the service SRE SRE team full access. Okay. Let me copy this role name, and let me create the policy. Okay. Sorry, let me create the role. My bad. And let me paste the role name here. Okay, from prod account side, we have done with creating the role. Okay, let me go to the developer account. From developer account, we need to create a policy. Policy, go to IAM and go to policies. Click on create policy. Okay, here select service as STS. Okay, and click on write, and click on assume role. Okay, and here add add Amazon resource name. Okay, go to the prod account and click on this particular role, This is my SRE full access, SRE team full access, right? Okay, this is my ARN. Okay, just paste here SRN, ARN, sorry. Okay, it will fetch the this role name, and it had fetch the account number, and it had fetch the ARN and add ARN. Okay, and click on next and select the policy. Okay, policy is SRE, SRE full access policy, SRE full access policy. Okay, and give the description and click on create policy. Okay, take me this one as well, policy name. This is role. Okay, now what you need to do is go to this customer managed policy and select this particular policy. Okay, and attach attach the groups like uh, okay, go to the policy, cancel, continue, sorry. Okay, this is my policy, right? Go to user groups, select this particular user group. Okay, I think from policy side only we will be able to access, attach it, right? Customer managed policy, select it, sorry, go to actions, attach, attach this particular policy to the groups. Okay, groups. So whoever part of this SRE team, they all can access prod account, uh, EC2, EC2 full access. They will be having EC2 full access, S3 full access, and CloudWatch full access. Okay, attach full access. So if you go to user groups, and this is one of the SRE team group, and it has one user, and it has permissions from this SRE full access thing policy, right? Okay, now let me log in as this SRE guy. So what is his name? Use go to users. Okay, let me log in as SRE1. Okay, sign out. Let me sign in as one of the SRE team member. Okay, so this is my team, and my account number is this one. Okay, this is my dev account. I can directly log in. SRE iPhone. Let me log in. Okay, now I have logged in into my developer account as the SRE user. Okay, in this particular account, SRE user don't have any access. You don't have EC2 access. Basically, SRE team used to work in prod environment, right? Okay, so let me go to my prod account. Let me check my validity. Let me check my credentials. I mean, account. Which account? This is my prod account. Okay. This is my prod account, and this is my role. Okay, click on switch role. Now you will be able to access EC2, S3, and CloudWatch. Let's see whether see here I can see like one instance has been terminated. Let me try and launch one EC2 instance whether I can be able to or not. This is test Amazon Linux T2 Micro key pair. Okay, just let me launch. As of now, this is demo. I don't want any key pair. Launch on EC2 instance. See, this particular SRE member is able to launch EC2 instance since he has a EC2 full access, right? Let me check the S3 also. It is loading. Yeah, it is running and it is able to initialize. Let me go to S3. Let me check. Yeah, I can see bucket is there. Let me go to CloudWatch. Just watch. CloudWatch. Yeah, I should be able to log into CloudWatch as well. See here, logs, alarms. Since this is a brand new account, nothing has been configured here. At least I'm able to log in, view the UI, right? Now let me log into SNS. Since I don't have access to SNS, simple notification service. See, error code, access denied. In my, so this is my prod account. Let me switch back to my developer account as well. So this is my developer account. Let me check whether will I be able to access any of the EC2 instance. I should not because API error. Everything is API error. In developer account for this particular guy, he don't have any access to any of the services. But in prod account, he has access to couple of services. So this is how you can do the cross account. From one account to another account. Users can log in and jump in, and they can able to work. Thanks for watching my video. That's it.